Hi friends, welcome to Crazy Craft. Today I am going to show you how to make homemade gum. Let's get started. First take a bowl and add 2 tablespoons of maida, and add required water and mix it well. Add more water until it gets smooth. Yes, here we go. It gets smooth. The maida mixture is ready. On the stove, and keep a bowl. Add 1 cup of water and allow it to boil. When the water heated, add the maida water mixture into it and mix it well. Mix this mixture continuously for 2 minutes. The stove medium would be low. And take sieve and sieve the maida water. Mix with spoon if you want to make this gum faster. Yes, homemade maida gum is ready. Let's test this gum whether it is not working or not. My mother following this tip from her childhood only. I saw many YouTube channels making this gum wrong. They are adding sugar and salt. If you add sugar and salt, the sugar contains sweet and it absorbs water, and it that was wrong. Have to make that. If you like this video, please like and share and subscribe to my channel. Want to store this gum? Have to keep it in fridge. It will stay for 1 week.